Hello guys, this is Hype or Hit. It's a gloomy night in Toronto, and we are in the village area visiting the Storm Crow Manor.
What is Storm Crow Manor, you may ask? Well, it is the nerdiest bar in Canada, with a multi-level mansion full of monsters and mayhem. And food and drinks, of course. There are secret doors, insane sci-fi memorabilia, bizarre board games, and much more. So let's walk in and see for ourselves if it's all hype or a hit.
I must say that they have nailed the outdoor look of the mansion, and it does give you the creeps, even when you're passing by. The doors make this creaking sound as you enter, and then you're welcomed by the coolest staff ever. Manor claims that they possess much more than a cool attitude. The main floor has two rooms. The first room primarily serves as a seating area with amazing board games. The centerpiece is a cage with two black crows. Once again, nailed it. It really brings the room to life.
The second room looks even more awesome. Right above the fireplace, your eyes catch this giant one-eyed monster just looking deep into your soul. Eye-catching. Quiz time. How many times did I say "I" in the last sentence? Quite a few times, I think. Before we tour the upper level, let's grab a bite. Because let's be honest, the food is what we came here for.
This menu looked awesome. It was based after the computing system from Star Trek and had some pretty intriguing options. What choices, you ask? The Teenage Mutant Deep Fried Pickles. Some deep fried goodness. The Wolverine Poutine. Chaos Chicken Burger of Zentech.
The fun doesn't stop here, folks. Even the drinks come with a little twist. We tried Butterbeer, Mr. Nichols Mango Mini, Super Galactic Smash, and Wakanda Smash.
And if you don't know what kind of drink to get, then play some games on the menu and order a drink from there.
We couldn't help but notice the really cool puzzle coasters that come with your drinks.
And now that we're all fed, let's take a walk upstairs. The upper level doesn't fail to disappoint at all. The floor has a very Halo, Counter-Strike kind of vibe and offers private mystic rooms that can be booked for bigger groups.
There's another bar on this level, and oh, there's Chucky just chilling there at the bar.
As if the manor wasn't nerdy enough, even the washrooms blew our mind. Not at all ashamed to admit, it was a little scary on the way down there. The floor itself was themed after an abandoned spaceship that was now under a zombie attack. I didn't waste much time on this floor. Who wants to get attacked by a zombie in a washroom?
So guys, if you haven't been counting how many times we've said awesome already, let me just sum it up for you all. This one is a big hit.